Go on then, say hello.
Are you saying that?
No, you say
you're
it.
going to do something.
I'm not going to do something else, so go and do it. Just do it.
I can tell.
No, you can't. Just what? Just do it. Say hello.
Hello everybody. Hello everybody and welcome back to my...
I'm literally still.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with Leighton and today we are making frozen cupcakes. So... What are you laughing about?
I actually have no idea.
It's really sharp. These are like the cupcakes you make when you're like 5 years old and they have little rice paper characters on top.
Thomas Tank Engine ones.
Frozen.
Never
Oh,
had the
they are
frozen
so cute.
We don't have a
very
cake
small.
tray though.
We don't have a cupcake tray, but we got that. Yeah, but
They'll sink.
be cupcake shapes.
No, I know exactly what's going to happen. This is going to happen. It's going to sink like that because it's going to
It's still a cupcake though.
Yeah, but and then it's going to just be a mess on. I think they're a disaster. It's going to be a disaster. This is a really bad idea.
Why do you not want cupcakes? I'm hungry.
Because we don't have anything to do. We don't have a baking tray, a jug, or a mixing bowl. That's three of the things you need.
We need to preheat the oven, which we've done. Put the cupcake cases in that. Empty the chocolate sponge mix. I think that's this one.
Shotgun cracking the egg.
Oh, I know you'll break it.
No, I'm great at eggs. My mum bakes eggs, so I think I know what I'm doing.
True. This is to celebrate the release of Frozen 2.
It's not. It's to celebrate anything
love
else.
Frozen
Literally anything.
Don't do it there.
Stand back.
I do not trust you.
Shut
Why don't
up.
you stand back?
Because it could explode. Oh yeah.
Oh, later!
Oh, just a little bit of shell.
Literally, I promise you, if I did that, I would not even get shell.
I'm great at eggs. Sorry, Mum. I'm gonna lick the whisk.
It's got raw egg in there, Leighton.
You're allowed to. Everyone does it.
No, yeah, but you're not allowed to eat raw egg.
I always do.
It's how you get salmonella.
Sure, but I always used to do it as a kid and I never got sick.
Yeah, I used to do it as well.
Should we do that and like push it into the camera and do like a transition?
Yeah.
Go like this, like this. Go, ready?
Cupcakes. They're very cute.
Very cute.
So we've taken our cupcakes out of the oven now and they look really cute and actually they look really good. They didn't fall like we thought they would. So now we are making...
Icing.
Good.
How much do you need?
It's fine.
3 or 2?
6.
6. Steady, cockle!
What are you quoting?
I wasn't quoting anything. I was just saying steady, cockle.
2, 4, 5.
That's what Northerners say, innit?
No. Oh, you're going to get it everywhere.
I'm not.
Leighton, I
fine,
told
you
you
did.
you'd get it everywhere.
Rubbish.
Take a shot every time I shout with Leighton. We've got sprinkles and we've got these really cute little characters. Leighton. Leighton. I'm going to pour some sprinkles on.
Okay.
Just like that.
Just
Why don't you just do what I did, where you just sprinkle them?
because I'm not very good.
I wasn't filming.
Oh, sorry.
Now I am. Leighton,
A bit later.
what character should I do, Sven?
I have Olaf then.
Is that how you do it?
Yeah. Just put it on.
I'm having that Elsa.
Fair enough. You can have all the Elsas. I don't like Elsa. She's
You don't
rubbish.
like Elsa?
Rubbish.
I'm having Gale as well.
I think they're all rubbish. I think Frozen's rubbish.
Leighton. We have done our frozen cupcakes. I'm going to choose an Elsa one.
Ready? Cheers.
And we're going to try them. They're so small.
So, because they're meant for kids.
Look.
And we're 21, so I reckon I can eat mine in one bite. Ready? Watch. Oh. Not bad. Not bad.
Very chocolatey.
Success.
How much was that? Like £1.50 as well?
Yeah, but plus the £1.50 for the eggs.
Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And this was just something a little bit different today. Maybe we can make our banoffee pie one day. That's a bit more adventurous than cupcakes out of a packet.
Yeah, it involves real skill.
And it's really tasty. So this week has been a frozen week. If you haven't seen my frozen cover that I put up on Wednesday, I will leave it in the description box.
And if you haven't seen
what are you doing?
If you haven't seen
what are you doing with your hair?
Or if you'd like to see some weekly
I think you just use my videos to promote
basically,
yourself.
that's why I'm here. And if you want to go see some covers like The Weekend or Arctic Monkeys,
you can also watch those on my channel.
You don't have the Arctic Monkeys.
I have The Weekend.
If you want to go see the Arctic Monkeys and The Weekend and other bands we covered, Red Hot Chili Peppers and stuff, please go look at Sour Punch Band on YouTube. We do some really fun covers.
So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and
Can I do the Sour Punch thing
like the video.
Hey, greedy.
The end.